Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall WordPress in cPanel. So let's get started. So the first method to uninstall WordPress is through Softaculous. So we'll click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And from here, we'll be able to see different subdomain names and domain names that WordPress has been installed successfully on. So I'm going to click on my subdomain name here to uninstall WordPress form. Then I'll click on the drop down icon here. I'll scroll to the uninstall button. From here, we have different options here, but I'm going to use the uninstall. Now this will delete your files, your folders, and also your database. So we'll click on uninstall and ensure that these options are ticked on. And we'll scroll down to the remove installation. We'll click on OK. And you wait for the uninstallation process to be completed. So the installation was removed successfully. So the second method to uninstall WordPress in the cPanel is through the File Manager. So we'll scroll to the File Manager section. We click on File Manager. So from the File Manager, you can select a particular subdomain folder you want to uninstall WordPress from, or your main primary domain folder if you want to uninstall WordPress from your main primary domain. But I'm going to be using my subdomain name here. So I'm going to click on my subdomain name folder name. From here, we can see all the WordPress folder and also WordPress files. I'm going to click on the WP config file and also click on edit and also click on edit. So from here, you take note of your database name and also take note of your database username. We'll use this information to delete the database name and also to delete the database username. From here, I'll go back to the cPanel tools. Then I'll scroll to the database section. I'll click on my SQL database. So I'll scroll to the current database. So we can see our current database name here, which is coming from my database name here. So I'll click on the delete option. Now delete the database name. I'll scroll to the database user. And from here, we can also see the database user. I'll delete the users. So the database name and the database user has been deleted successfully. I'll go back to my file manager. From here, we see the WordPress files and also the WordPress folders. So I'm going to delete all the files and delete the folders from my subdomain directory. Then you right click and you click on delete. So you can see here that my directory is empty. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.